2026 GMC Canyon. Captured standing in a luxury mountain showroom, reflecting elegance and rugged strength in a full shiny onyx black. Finish. As the light hits its glossy surface, the Canyon's bold silhouette blends perfectly with the surrounding high-altitude sophistication. This isn't just a pickup. It's a premium lifestyle statement designed for those who demand capability and class in equal measure. The 2026 GMC Canyon has evolved with more confidence and power than ever before. Parked proudly against a backdrop of glass, steel, and natural stone, this pickup exudes a sense of dominance that only few in its segment can manage. Every curve and line on the Canyon's body serves a purpose, from improved aerodynamics to sheer aesthetic muscle. The large, imposing grille, flanked by sharply contoured LED headlights, creates an aggressive yet refined front fascia. The fog lights are elegantly integrated, emphasizing the bold structure of the front bumper and providing a visual signature that screams premium performance. The shimmering onyx black exterior pairs flawlessly with the mountain showroom's crisp atmosphere. You can feel the contrast between modern design and nature's raw beauty. And the 2026 Canyon stands exactly at that intersection. Its high ground clearance and muscular fenders not only boost off-road readiness, but also elevate the vehicle's stature, making it feel more like a full-size luxury SUV than a mid-size pickup. From the side, the strong character lines emphasize the truck's extended cab length and balanced proportions. The large alloy wheels with all-terrain tires ensure that the Canyon is as ready for rugged trails as it is for city streets. Subtle chrome accents on the door handles and side mirrors add a tasteful touch of upscale appeal. You can tell that GMC paid close attention to both form and function. Nothing about this truck feels accidental. The rear end showcases LED taillights that wrap around the body in a sleek pattern, creating visual width and enhancing road presence. The tailgate is both electronically assisted and designed with multi-functionality, further showing GMC's commitment to merging innovation with practicality. And with the shimmering paint reflecting the polished floors and mountain sunlight, the Canyon looks like a gem carefully placed in a jewel box, even standing still. The 2026 Canyon tells a story of capability. Whether it's hauling gear to a remote cabin, towing a trailer to an adventure site, or arriving at a black tie event, this truck fits every environment with ease. The mountain showroom itself seems to be designed around its tall windows, letting in natural light the rich wood accents of the interior reflecting in the Canyon's surface, and the mountain peaks outside echoing its tough exterior. What makes the 2026 GMC Canyon even more special is how it redefines what a pickup truck can be. GMC has crafted something that appeals not just to worksite warriors, but also to urban professionals, overland adventurers, and design-conscious drivers. This truck isn't trying to be something for everyone. It is something for those who want everything. As we take one last look at the Canyon in this picturesque showroom, it's clear that the 2026 model is more than a simple upgrade. It's a declaration by GMC that strength, style, and technology can coexist in one powerful